guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for a very simple side dish. We are going to be making some pasta salad. To get started, here I have some tricolor rotini pasta. You can use any kind you like, but this kind I recommend. And here I have some tomatoes and cucumbers. I have some red onions, some grated carrots. I have some red and green bell peppers, some cilantro. I also have here 3 kinds of Italian dressing that I'll be using. They're my favorite. I have the Simple Truth Italian dressing, the Olive Garden, and the Wishbone. I will be also using some Italian 5 cheese. And for my seasonings, I have here some garlic powder, seasoned salt, all-purpose seasoning, and black pepper. To get started, we will boil our pasta, adding 1 tablespoon of salt. We will boil until it's al dente. You don't want this to be too soft. So next we will go ahead and start adding all of the ingredients I mentioned, starting with the vegetables. But first you want to make sure your pasta is cooled off a bit. You don't want to do it hot because this salad was meant to be cold. So you don't want to add your vegetables in there hot to make them mushy. So we will add the vegetables, give this a good mix, then we will start adding our seasonings. Even though we added the salt, we still need to flavor up our pasta really well because you don't want it, tasteless and, with no flavor and stuff like that. So you want to, season up your pasta. And then we will add our dressing. You can add any dressing you like, but mostly this kind of pasta goes with an Italian dressing. And a lot of people would usually add olives in this salad. If you're a fan of olives, you can go right ahead and add it. I personally don't like olives. I can't stand the taste of olives, so I'm omitting that. This salad, actually, you could add anything that you like in it. It doesn't have to be these exact ingredients I'm adding. You can go with any kind of vegetables you like. You can add that, or you can omit whatever I'm adding here. You don't like it, you can leave it out. And lastly, I will add my cheese and my cilantro. And that is how easy and simple it is, guys, to make a pasta salad. It goes with almost anything, and it is great for your family gatherings or any function you have. This is just perfect, and I do hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Okay guys, so this is my version of a delicious pasta salad. I do hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget, please subscribe. I will leave all the ingredients down in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!